friends, welcome back to your channel Learning More with Prerna. So today I'm back with another important and interesting video that would be for a general knowledge or for economic point of view or from a exam point of view, which is a very important topic of discussion, that is a government's project called Atmanirbhar Bharat. So friends, when we talk about Atmanirbhar Bharat, the word Atmanirbhar, it is derived or it is taken from the Hindi language that says self-reliant or self-sufficient, self-reliant. So friends, when we talk about Atmanirbhar Bharat, this project or this mission was started in the year 2020, and it had a very clear vision that we just want to become self-reliant, not becoming self-reliant. That does not mean that we have want to prohibit others to enter our market, that is a foreign trade, or we are restricting them, or we are implementing strong policies for their entry. Nothing like that. It is just want to take the mission or the vision of this policy is to involve everyone, and it is focusing on the importance of local products to make people to use the local products rather than going to the foreign products or imported products. So friends, when we talk about Atmanirbhar Bharat, the government had taken five main pillars of focus that had to be focused for the year or for the particular years to make this mission complete, or to complete this mission, or to accomplish this mission. So the first point here would be economy. The economy was proper, it was going on a proper track, but then they wanted a quantum jump in it. For that, so for this reason, what they did is they invested a package of rupees 20,000 crores into it. That is a percentage of estimated percentage of 10% of the GDP was invested in this project to make it happen. And the second thing would be, friends, infrastructure. So the second pillar here would be infrastructure. So what they wanted to do is they wanted to make build the infrastructure that would represent a modern India. For example, infrastructure here, as we can take an example of metro lines. There are metro lines connecting to various parts of the cities. And another thing would be the airports, the infrastructure that represent our education system, the infrastructure that represent our transport system or other systems in the economy. So they have, this would be the second pillar, that is infrastructure. And friends, when I talk about the third pillar of Atmanirbhar Bharat, I would say it is system. The system should be technology driven. See, the old system cannot be carried forward and forward. So what the government thought is they would be using technology for the system. Technology based system should be there in the economy, so that there would be development also, there would be progress also, and there would be increment and also increase in the standard of living of the people of our nation. So friends, the fourth pillar here would be vibrant demography. And when I talk about vibrant demography, it says that vibrant demography of largest democracy. So as we call, friends, democracy is our country, that the government of our country. For example, it is a form of government where by the people, for the people, and of the people. So this is the definition of democracy. When we talk about demography, demography is nothing but the study of population, is called demography. So friends, here vibrant demography, we have large number of youths. We have n number of youths. We are the number one country in the number of youth population. So they have to utilize this population in a proper way, so that our country will go to the level of progress. We can achieve some sort of progress, some sort of development. So this was the fourth pillar when we talk about Atmanirbhar Bharat's five pillars. So friends, last but not the least pillar would be demand. So here, what do you mean by demand? Demand is nothing but a demand or a desire to have a particular thing is called demand. So friends, full utilization of the power, that is, if we have large quantity of particular good, if we have large quantity of particular capital, if we have large quantity of land, if we have large quantity of particular soil type or anything that is used in production, we have to use it the fullest way so that demand and supply will be will be functioning properly in the economy. So friends, here I'll be talking about another mission. Another the mission of Atmanirbhar Bharat, as I said earlier, is to focus on the importance of local products rather than fully depending on the imported products. For example, for a small thing like toothpaste, for clothing, for another things, rather than depending on this, will be focusing on the local things. So friends, when we talk about Atmanirbhar Bharat, there were some things or some few areas where they called as this is the need of the hour. They have to focus on that particular thing at present. So those things would be supply chain reforms for agriculture. So friends, as you know, agriculture is the primary sector of our economy. So they focus on the supply reforms because see, when we talk about agriculture, the goods or they are perishable, so they have to be imported and exported on a proper time and in a proper way, or else it will be wasted. So supply reforms of agriculture were changed. Then rational tax system should be rational rather than being supportive to someone and being causative to someone. It should be supportive or rational tax system, which would be in a proper way. It should be taken in a proper way. Then simple and clear laws. So friends, when we talk about laws, every person is not a lawyer or every person in our country is not a law student. So what the government thought is there should be simple and clear laws so that the local people can also understand what it says, what it means, and how it is implemented. The next thing would be capable human system. As I said, we have n number of youths in our country, and we are the largest. We are on the top in the number of youth population. So, what they focused is on capable human beings or capable human capital. They government started to provide skill based programs. They started to make skill based programs so that the youth can get employment opportunities, and that would lead to the progress of our country, making them self-reliant. That is called Atmanirbhar. One more thing would be strong financial system. For example, when a youth want to start some business or when someone wanted to start some business, the first and foremost need would be the capital. So there were many reforms taken, many programs bought, many what do we say, schemes were launched where the loans were provided at a very minimum interest rate and also with a lot of benefits. So friend, here I would complete my video by saying that Atmanirbhar Bharat have got n number of progress and n number of employment opportunities in our country, and I would like to say that this have really shown a lot of progress. So friends, let us talk about another things in other important videos. So please do like, share and subscribe to your channel Learning More with Prerna, and stay tuned.